Tracks from Beyoncé's latest visual album have left no question that the pop star is an advocate for women's equality. The 33-year-old singer recently shared her disappointment with the lack of gender equality in the workplace in a piece for Maria Shriver's Shriver Report, a media initiative covering the influence that cultural trends have on American women. Beyoncé wrote, quote, "We need to stop buying into the myth about gender equality. It isn't a reality yet. Today, women make up half of the U.S. workforce, but the average working woman earns only 77% of what the average working man makes. But unless women and men both say this is unacceptable, things will not change." Throughout the years, financial security has been a theme of Beyoncé's music, from her Destiny's Child independent women days to her solo career, releasing songs like Run the World, Girls. You can read Beyoncé's full piece in our resource well below.